Welcome to the Digital Planner for Photographers. When you import your planner into GoodNotes, you will first see the very front page, the cover of your book. On the right-hand side, you have tabs for each month, and you can directly go into those months now. Or you have the ability to swipe to open your book to the very first pages. In GoodNotes, you have icons in the center upper toolbar. The very first one, as I've selected in blue, is your pencil. You can hold that and tap it a second time to change the color. The next is a highlighter. The next is an eraser. The next is a lasso, which will allow you to be able to select something that you've already written and move it. And the final one, which is very important, is your selector tool, and that allows you to click through your tabs. You must have that last icon selected to be able to use the tab feature. Otherwise, it will not work. When you're writing, you need to select the pencil, and you can write anywhere within the book. The the lasso tool that I told you about, you just draw it, select it, and you can move it anywhere you want within the book. Okay, so the next page is your special dates. This is where you can write dates for your clients or for your life events. The next page is your Rolodex, and this allows you to write down all the clients that you had in each month so that you have a good running list. You can also write their phone numbers or anything else you wish to have. The tabs on the left-hand side, you have Rolodex and At a Glance here. Now we go into your months. So January is your very first month. However, you do not have to start this planner in January. You can start it in September if you wish. You just click on the tab below it and work your way back through to the beginning. So here you'll write anything that you need. This is kind of your brain dump on the left-hand side of the month. Everything you're thinking within the month that you want to do to grow your business or any session ideas that you have. On the right-hand side is your monthly objectives. You have the goals, the things that you wish to obtain, and on the right you will follow up at the end of the month and write in the actuals so that you can compare how you did. Below that is the daily responsibilities. This is where you allocate a particular task to each day of the week to help you be more organized. Now you have your monthly calendar. And again, you can erase and you can highlight. So this monthly calendar, you have these boxes where you can choose to write in any sessions that you have or important dates that you have. The next tab that you have is your business planning for income and monthly cleanup. We do have some suggested monthly cleanup, but then also some blank lines. A lot of this planner has a lot of blank areas so that you can really ensure that it fits your lifestyle. The next page that you have is your monthly to-do list and your goal planning. Here you have a box at the end of the to-do list that is blank so that you can create a list all of your own. Next is your social media, and this is where you will write down the topics each day of what you want to post. This will help keep you organized and ensure that you're participating in that 80-20 rule, 80% of the time helping to inspire and educate your viewers, and 20% of the time letting them know about your products and what you sell. On the right side is a quick list of things that you need to do and you need to plan. Next is your daily planning. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Below that you have this workflow, and this is great for any children's chores or home bills or workout regimens that you have. If you swipe right, you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and a social media growth. This is where you'll watch your social media. it'll write down what you're tracking. Then you can go ahead and select, you'll go through all of the months, and let me show you, here is where you'll put the date of what you're doing for which day. So you have 5 weeks in each month for that. At the end you have notes section, and again you can flip through your months very easily. Over on the left hand side, if I can have you peek, you have an at a glance, a rolodex, closing the book, client workflow. Your client workflow you will use over and over again. You'll simply clear the page when you're done with it and start again when all clients are finished. And you have a session planner. Again, the session planner is something that you can use and clear and keep doing many times over. You can also click on the thumbnails and you can make a copy of them, which will help you. You'll click Edit, select the one that you want to copy, click Copy, Done, click the plus, tell it where you want it to be added, and click Paste. Now you have a new page right in your planner. So you can make as many pages as you want. I would suggest that you do not add too many pages. This planner is already 400 pages, which is a 200-page spread. It's a very large file. Adding too many would slow it down, and it's definitely not necessary because you can erase these pages when you no longer need them. So I hope that this video helped you. Have a great day.